When it comes to heavy-lift multi-rotor platforms, very few systems have earned the reputation that Freefly Systems ALTA X has. And with the ability to carry 35-pound payloads, the Gen 2 version raises that bar even higher. From a performance standpoint, Gen 2 brings major improvements over the original ALTA X, starting with the propulsion system. Freefly redesigned the motors, propellers, and ESC integration to improve efficiency, cooling, and consistency under heavy payloads. That translates to smoother power delivery, longer usable flight times, and better reliability during demanding missions. The airframe has also been refined. While the proven folding quad-arm design remains, Gen 2 features structural improvements that increase stiffness and durability, reducing vibration and improving stability when carrying high-value cinema and LiDAR payloads. Internally, the electronics and power distribution layout have been cleaned up. With improved connectors and system organization, these changes make maintenance easier and reduce long-term wear. Direct feedback from operators who flew the first generation in the field. Thermal management has also been improved, allowing Gen 2 to maintain consistent performance across multiple flights and in hotter operating environments. One of the big distinctions of the ALTA X Gen 2 is that, like its predecessor, it's built and designed here in the US. Freefly manufactures the aircraft in Washington State, giving operators tighter quality control, shorter support cycles, and a supply chain that meets government and enterprise requirements. Just as importantly, the ALTA X Gen 2 is NDAA compliant, making it eligible for use by federal agencies, public safety agencies, and organizations operating under strict data security and procurement rules. Freefly was careful to keep what already works. The ALTA X Gen 2 maintains its flexible payload mounting options, toolless landing gear, and compatibility with professional sensors and camera systems. Taken together, the ALTA X Gen 2 isn't just a better flying aircraft. It's a US-built, NDAA-compliant heavy-lift platform that reflects years of operational experience, and it's ready for government, industrial, and high-end commercial missions. So if you'd like more information on the ALTA X Gen 2, click the link in the description below, and thanks for watching.